Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. If your computer does not have a camera, don't worry. You can keep the video turned off. If you do not have a headphone, that is also completely fine. You can still record a Zoom meeting on your computer. After the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar and click the More button. From the menu, click Record. Zoom will immediately start recording the meeting on your computer. When recording begins, you will see a recording indicator at the top of the meeting window. This confirms that the meeting is being recorded. You can continue your presentation, share your screen, or demonstrate any feature while the recording is in progress. If you want to temporarily stop recording, click More again and select Pause Recording. To continue recording, click Resume Recording. When you finish, click More and then select Stop Recording. After that, click End and choose End Meeting for all to close the meeting. Once the meeting ends, Zoom will automatically convert the recording into a video file. You will see a message saying that Zoom is converting the meeting recording. After the conversion is complete, the recording folder will open automatically. Your recording will be saved as an MP4 video file, and you can play it, edit it, or upload it to YouTube or any other platform. That's how you can record a Zoom meeting in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.